Welcome to my YouTube channel Made in My GK. Let's get into the space quiz part 3. Which is the world's first artificial satellite? The answer is Sputnik 1. Which is the satellite that was launched in 1997 for studying about Saturn and its moons? The answer is Cassini. Which is the first space vehicle to reach interstellar medium? The answer is Voyager 1. Which gas is filled in the wheels of a space shuttle? The answer is nitrogen. Which is the world's first space shuttle? The answer is Columbia. Which space vehicle was launched by NASA for studying Pluto? The answer is New Horizons. Which spaceship was launched by ESA and NASA for studying the Sun? The answer is SOHO. Which probe was launched in 2001 by NASA for measuring the temperature of radiation left by the Big Bang? The answer is Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe. Which NASA telescope found the light by planets outside the solar system? The answer is Spitzer Space Telescope. Which space vehicle took the picture of the solar system family? The answer is Voyager. How many space agencies were involved in the making of International Space Station? The answer is 5. How many sunrise and sunsets can be seen from International Space Station? The answer is 16. Who wrote the book Pale Blue Dot: A Vision of the Human Future in Space? The answer is Carl Sagan. What is the study of moon? The answer is selenology. Which moon goddess's name was given by China for its 2007 robotic lunar probe space mission? The answer is Change. Which supercluster was the first to be discovered? The answer is Shapley supercluster. To which supercluster does the Milky Way galaxy belongs to? The answer is Laniakea supercluster. Who wrote the book Systema Saturnium? The answer is Christian Huygens. Which planet's moon is Miranda? The answer is Uranus. Which is the nearest star to the Sun? The answer is Proxima Centauri or Alpha Centauri. Which is the closest galaxy to Milky Way galaxy? The answer is Andromeda. Among the several pieces of space junk is what small object that astronaut Ed White lost during his historic 1965 spacewalk? The answer is a glove. Which satellite was the first one launched by the Americans? The answer is Explorer 1. The MPC receives and distributes positional measurements of minor planets and comets. What is MPC the abbreviation for? The answer is Minor Planet Center. Which is the largest object in the asteroid belt of our solar system? The answer is Ceres. Eris, Sedna, Quaoar, Makemake, Haumea are all objects in which disk-shaped region of outer space? The answer is Kuiper Belt. What is the surname of the couple Caroline and Eugene who together discovered dozens of comets? The answer is Shoemaker. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? The answer is Ganymede. What is the layer of crushed and powdered rocks that covers the entire surface of the moon called? The answer is regolith. What is the name of crater on which the Apollo 11 landed on 20 July 1969, which was named by Italian astronomers in 1651? The answer is the Sea of Tranquility. In 1946, the US Army Signal Corps did an experimental project where they bounced radar signals off the moon and received the reflected signals. This was the first experiment in radar astronomy and the first ever active attempt to probe another celestial body in our universe. What is the name of the project named after the mythological Roman goddess of moon, hunting, and nature? The answer is Project Diana. From which iconic rock album related to the topic are following two lines taken? There is no dark side of the moon really. As a matter of fact, it's all dark. The answer is Pink Floyd album Dark Side of the Moon. Which is the oldest Japanese religion which worshipped the moon god named Tsuki Yomi? The answer is Shinto. Which is the mythical character that has human form and believed to morph into a violent wolf-like creature during the full moon? The answer is werewolf. What is the name of the largest moon rock sample collected during the Apollo program? The answer is Big Muley. Which was the first manned flight around the moon in December 1968? The answer is Apollo 8. Who wrote about the science fictional novel titled Luna, New Moon in 2015, which depicts the Korta dynasty that controls industrial activities on the moon? The answer is Ian McDonald. What is the full moon before Easter is called? The answer is egg moon. Which people in ancient China used the moon cakes to spread the word of a revolt that they planned against their Mongol rulers? The answer is Han people. Where is Moon Festival celebrated? The answer is China. Which film was made in 1902 inspired by Jules Verne's novel From the Earth to the Moon and Around the Moon, which revolves about a group of astronomers who travel to the moon? The answer is A Trip to the Moon.